Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share Discord profile link. All right, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open Discord and go to the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, click on the gear icon to open your user settings. Once you're inside settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side and scroll down until you reach the app settings section. From here, click on Advanced. The first thing you need to do is enable developer mode. This step is important because it allows you to copy your user ID, which is required to create your profile link. After turning on developer mode, you can close the settings menu. Next, go to any server where you are a member and locate one of your messages in the chat. If you haven't sent a message yet, simply type something and send it. Once your message appears, click on your username. This will open a small profile window. From here, click directly on your profile picture, which will open your full profile view. Now, look for the three dots labeled More, located near the right side of your profile. Click on it, and then select Copy User ID. This will copy your unique Discord user ID to your clipboard. After copying the user ID, open Notepad or any text editor. In the document, type the following link format: discordapp.com/users/. After the slash, paste your copied user ID by pressing Ctrl+V or right-clicking and selecting Paste. This full URL is your Discord profile link. You can now copy this entire link and share it with anyone. To make sure it works, you can paste the link into any web browser and press Enter. It will take you directly to your Discord profile, confirming that the link is correct. And that's it. So that's basically how you can share Discord profile link. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.